Hello and welcome to Cinegear's Cube Gimbal VR car unboxing and installation video. In the box you will find 1 Cinegear's Cube Gimbal VR car, 1 high-performance gimbal car controller, tool kit and accessory, 36-volt lithium-ion battery charger, 6-volt lithium-ion battery charger, retractable multifunction pole, mounting pole screw, to install the mounting pole, insert the pole into the base plate and tightening it down with an Allen key. Use the tie-down hooks to firmly attach the pole to the car. This is a very important step to make sure that the payload doesn't fall off. Screw in the mounting screw in the bracket. This is used to lock the pole after adjusting the height. The Cinegear's RC Cube car utilize 2 different batteries for steering and drivetrain, so the batteries need to be charged separately. To charge the drivetrain system, use the 36-volt LiPo battery charger and plug into the charging port on top of the car. To access the steering battery, remove the side panel of the car. Find the steering battery, it's the smaller one of the 2. Track down the charging port, it has red and black wire and a connector. Connect the battery with the blue LiPo battery charger. Set up the charger with 1 amp and 7.4 volt. Press and hold down the enter button, the charger will do a battery check. Once that's done, it will start charging the battery. There are 2 reasons why the steering and drivetrain use independent power source. First, any sudden steering command will drain the power going to the drivetrain. This will make the car to slow down briefly and become unstable. In the world of video production, that's a big problem. Second, unstable speed also means unstable electrical current. The unstable current will create unnecessary magnetic field, it could interfere wireless remote control performance. For more information please visit cinegears.com.